Hello, today we are going to take a look at my recent purchase from the AliExpress. One of my projects involving fixing those Airpods first generation, and as you can see I managed to get one open, but I wanted to have a more professional tool, and it is a rig that is designed for that kind of repair. So let's take a look at the model number, and it's dedicated for Airpods 1 and 2. And let's see, it should allow us for easier gluing it and opening. I can tell you right away that I was pretty sure that it's going to be made out of CNC aluminum, and it is extremely lightweight and made out of plastic. Here you can see the information how you should set up your hot air for separation. And you've got different tools. Here is how it presents. We've got a tiny rubber. It is extremely lightweight, so you know. And here you can open it for sliding in your AirPods. And we are going to take a look. So first, the most important part is just holder for your AirPod. This is the left one, so it should go like this. And you can nicely hold it in place. And now you can grab your hot air. You can hot air it like that, and you can try to remove the battery. When you finish and you apply glue on the connector, most likely after we glue them back, here you would apply pressure so they can nicely glue back. This is my opinion. I never did it, just so you know. In case we would crack them open and need to glue back the speaker part, that looks like a correct spot for applying pressure and gluing them back. So as you can see, we've got a different option. So it could go over here. That looks like for cracking that open, you can see that part would go here, and most likely it would nicely crush them. Yeah, that would be for that reason. Most likely you would apply a heat and then separate that part, but that one is good for me. That was extremely quick look at the Airpods assembly, disassembly rig, and I hope that's going to help me out with my future fixing video. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.